Business owners need to stop using multiple tools to run their business. Not only that, they need to make sure they're using tools which can help to grow their business and not just do the day-to-day mundane tasks. And so it's not just about saving money on using various tools, it's about making money by using a good tool. Now, most businesses use multiple tools. Like, for example, what I'm talking about when I talk about tools, I'm talking about software like calendars and CRMs and website builders and so on. You can get rid of all of these and replace it with one tool. Now, there's one tool that we use for our business, which has helped it to not only cut our month-on-month costs, but it's helped us to scale to six figures very, very, very quickly. So this tool, I'm going to tell you what the tool is, and I'm going to give you some features about which of your current tools you can replace with this tool and save money and help you to scale your business. This tool is called GoHighLevel. I'll put a link, an affiliate link in the description below. Click on the link and you'll be able to get 30 days free trial. So you'll be able to try this software out for absolutely free. It's a no-brainer. Nowadays, you do not necessarily, for example, you don't need to go to a website developer to tell your website developer to build your website and wait 6 weeks, 7 weeks and pay thousands of dollars just to get a website built. You can build it yourself because there's ready-made templates. You can choose a template, say that's the website that I want, and build it for me and just customize it to your phone numbers, your address, and so on. So let me just talk you through it. If you want to know more about scaling your business and growing your business and strategies that you can use, then please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button, because I produce weekly videos to help business owners, business managers to scale their business, to work a lot more faster, a lot more smarter, save costs and increase their revenue. So all you need to do is hit that subscribe button, so that when I do create new content, you'll be the first to be notified. If you have got any questions, drop them in the comments box below. So, like I said, this tool is called GoHighLevel and it's totally, absolutely amazing. So here's some things that you can do. Now, firstly, a lot of businesses use some sort of CRM, like customer relationship management systems, to see what leads are coming in. And what they're doing is that they're using spreadsheets, or they're making notes in their Word document and so on. You can scrap all that. Go with GoHighLevel. It's got built-in CRM, so every single one of your customers can go inside this system, so you can see who your customers are, and you can track where they came from. You can email them automatically every single time. If a lead comes into your business, instead of you putting it into your system, the lead will automatically go inside GoHighLevel, which is your CRM system, and you'll be able to track where this lead has come from, how long they've been with you, what you've quoted them, are they interested, are they not interested, and how much you've quoted them, what stage of the cycle that they're in. So it's got a beautiful CRM built into GoHighLevel. The other thing that it's got, like I said earlier, it's got website and landing page builders. So you don't need WordPress. You don't need to go to a website developer to say, hey, create me a website. You don't need plugins. You don't need to worry about any sort of hosting plugins or hostings and all these type of stuff. You can just go to HighLevel and say, you know what, I want a website. So you can say, click on the website option and say, build me that website. And within minutes, you'll have a fully blown website. All you then got to do is just change the details around. You don't need any coding experience either. So it's absolutely beautiful. A total non-technical person can go inside GoHighLevel and build them a website just like a professional would. And you're not paying anything extra. It's all built into the system. Okay. The other thing that a lot of businesses do is that they have forms, right? So they'll use third-party forms to collect data, like contact forms, booking forms, surveys, quizzes. Now, they use things like Google Forms or Typeform or Jotform and so on, all these form builders. They use all this tech. You don't need it anymore, because guess what? Yes, you're right. GoHighLevel has got it all built into one low-cost system. And it's just there for you. You can say, this is the form I want, and I want to collect booking details. I want to collect their first name, surname, email, what the inquiry is about, and a little bit about their business. And you can just go inside the form builder, build yourself a form without knowing anything technical, and your form is built, which you can put anywhere. You can put within your website or anywhere else that you want to. So it's got a great form and survey built into it. Surveys are really great because surveys help you to capture leads. So for example, you could design a survey to say, hey, this is a health MOT, so let's do a health check. So here's 5 questions I'm going to ask you, and then at the end of it I'm going to give you some thoughts and opinions about how you can improve your health. Now once they've answered those questions, you've got their details, you've got their name, email, phone, and you can contact them. And that's a potential lead that you've got from a potential customer using GoHighLevel. The other thing is it's got online bookings inside it. So a lot of people use third-party calendars for their booking system, like Calendly or so on, right? You don't need all that because GoHighLevel's got it built in. So you can say you can have multiple calendars. You can have a calendar for yourself, a calendar for your staff, a calendar for your boss, and anything else. So you can just go inside GoHighLevel and say, build me a calendar. And not only that, but you can say to the calendar that, hey, I'm only available on these dates and these times, so anyone can come in and book an appointment with you. So if, for example, somebody wants to talk to you, you can say, hey, why don't you go to my calendar and schedule a time, a date and time, and that will be, they'll be able to fill it in, and the notification will come automatically to you by using this one simple system. Another thing that GoHighLevel can do is emails and email marketing sequences. So you can send emails out to your customers from this one system. You don't need active campaigns, MailChimp, scrap all that. You do not need it. You can build long-term nurturing sequences. So for example, if somebody's going to buy your service, sometimes then, even though they might have inquired, they're not always ready to buy. They might want to buy in 2 months time, in 3 months time. So what you can do, you can regularly send them emails automatically every single week, because they're kept reminded about your products and your service. So when they are ready, they've got in touch with you. So again, keep in touch with your customers, email the customer using this one system instead of using these other systems which you've got to then bolt on, and they're all working in isolation with themselves. So it's got a beautiful email marketing and automated email sequences built into GoHighLevel. The other thing that you can do with GoHighLevel is send SMS messages, send WhatsApp messages, send messages. So if somebody phones you and you missed a phone call, the system can message them automatically saying, hey, I see that you tried to get in touch with us. Sorry I couldn't attend the call. How can I help you? Or if you just wanted to send a one-off SMS message, a text message, you can do it through the system. If you want to send WhatsApp messages or even a series of WhatsApp messages, you can do that through this system. But not only that, it's got AI built into it. So you can create something called like a chatbot, and you can say to the chatbot, if somebody goes on our website, engage with them, talk to them, and then I want you to ultimately get them booked into our calendar. That's simple. And GoHighLevel will actually do that for you, or this GoHighLevel system will do that for you. You can create sales pipelines. You can track what stage each deal is at. So, is it at, you've given a quote, you're waiting for the customer to sign off, or they've signed off and now you're waiting for an engineer to go out. Whatever your business is, whether you fit windows, whether you're a car garage, or whether you're a lawyer, you can use the system to track all your pipelines, all your sales. So it's very visual. That's a great thing about it. You can visually see, okay, let me see where all my new leads are. Oh, there they are. Let me see all the customers that we've won, all the customers that we've lost, all the people that we need to contact, and you can see what stage each customer is at. The eighth thing that GoHighLevel can do is you can do review generation and reputation management. Now, we all know that reviews are absolutely essential to every business. Now, a lot of people check your reviews out before they decide to hire you. With HighLevel, it can automatically send out review requests. So if you've had a service, it can go to your customer same day, a week later, and a week later again, saying, hey, thanks for using our service. Can you give us a rating? And that rating can automatically be put to Google. But it doesn't stop there. It's so smart. What you can say to the system is that you can filter it. So for example, if the people gave a good review, like a 4 or 5 star review, it will automatically go into Google. If they gave a 1, 2, or 3 star review, then they'll be taken to a form whereby the form says, "Hey, I'm sorry to hear that your experience wasn't great. How can we help improve it, or what was your experience?" So you're only publishing the 4 and 5 star reviews. It's absolutely a game changer for any business. Not only that, but with review and reputation management, it's got an AI bot inside it. So if someone writes a review, your AI can automatically respond to that review on your behalf. It's absolutely mind-blowing. But this video is just an overview of GoHighLevel. So what I'd like you to do is that, again, guys, if you're interested in this type of stuff, do subscribe. If you want to know more about GoHighLevel, just put the comment GoHighLevel below in the comments area. Just put GoHighLevel and I'll reach out to you. I'll also put a link in there for a 30-day free trial, so you can try it out for free. And if you do use it, if you do sign up using my affiliate link, then I will personally jump onto a call with you and help you get started, show you around the system, and basically jumpstart you. The other thing that you can do, you can build automations and workflows. So for example, this is the real glue. This is the real glue of GoHighLevel. So you can send up follow-up reminders. So if you've given somebody a quote, you can send them follow-up reminders all automatically. You can send tasks, you can create tasks. So for example, if somebody signed up to you, you can automatically say, hey, okay, now I'm going to pass this over to John, and John is now going to arrange an appointment with them to go out and see them, and so on. So you can build all these fancy automations behind the scenes, which will work for you 24 hours, 7 days a week. And it's absolutely powerful, especially if you can work out what are the tasks that you do every single day that somebody should be able to automate, and this system can do it all for you. Reporting and attribution. So most businesses don't have a proper reporting system, that how many leads came in, okay, how many phone calls did we have last month, and how many of those phone calls turned into a lead, how many of the lead turned into a sale, where did the leads come from in the first place, which campaign created us the leads. I've got 5 different campaigns, which is generating us the most amount of revenue. With HighLevel, you can do all that within one built-in system. So guys, what it does is that it's got its own CRM. So you're not having to use a CRM. It's got its own email system, SMS system. It's got forms, reputation management. It's got funnels, website builders. So you can easily replace 6 to 10 of your tools with this one system. So GoHighLevel is all in one system. You don't need multiple logins. It's all in one system, guys. If you want to know more about HighLevel, write the comment, GoHighLevel, and I'll reach out to you. We'll schedule a call. I can show you around, or if you just want to sign up for a free 30-day trial. It's a boot camp, actually. So what the GoHighLevel system will do is that the people at GoHighLevel, they'll actually show you the system. They'll talk to you about your business, and they'll show you how you can get your business enrolled onto GoHighLevel for a very minimal monthly cost. And it's not expensive at all. It's super, super, super easy to use. And like I said, what we've done is that we've implemented the system into some of our existing customers, and they were blown away, because at the start they were like, oh my god, it's going to be a complicated system. You talk to them now and they're like, this is the best thing that's ever happened to them, because we've not only been able to cut costs, but now we can build websites ourselves by simply choosing some of the pre-made templates. We can keep in touch with our customers now, and because everything's in one system, we now no longer lose customers, because when an inquiry comes in, previously they used to end up in an email box, and the customer lead used to get lost, and now it's all in one system, so we can see who's inquired, what stage everybody's at. It's so much more to GoHighLevel, and I've just touched tip of the iceberg here. So guys, first of all, do subscribe to the channel. If you want to know more, just type the word GoHighLevel in the comments area below, and one of our team members will reach out to you. Or if you just want to give it a try, please do me a favor, hit that affiliate link. It'll take you to an area whereby you can sign up to a free 30-day trial and start using GoHighLevel today. If you like it, you can carry on. If you don't, then you got nothing to lose, but you've got some experience as to the power of Go High Level and how it can transform your business. Thank you for watching, guys. Please do remember to watch the channel. And yes, I just realized that I had this sticker over here. I ain't got a clue what it is, but yep. But I'm not going to do the video again. You know what? Life sucks. It happens. Shit happens. You just got to get on with it. Take care, guys, and I'll see you on another video. If you want to know more about GoHighLevel, you can always click on this video over here, or one of these sides anyway. So I look forward to seeing you on another show. Goodbye for now.